Hi everyone, my name is Keith Brooks and this is Brooks Channel. And for today's video, I've got another new snack that I'm going to be trying out. This time it is a Hershey's extra creamy milk chocolate with crunchy waffle cone pieces. It's a bit of a mouthful, so I'm just going to call it a waffle cone Hershey bar. Yeah, basically it looks like it's kind of the same just with waffle cone in it, but apparently it's more creamy. Yeah, it sounds like a pretty good difference compared to the regular ones that I usually get. And we'll call I've seen these one before, so I figured I'd give them a try today. So, yeah, without further ado, let's open up the pack and test it out. Let's see. There we go. There we go. I think it bent a little. Yeah, I'm just going to take off a piece right here for now. Start off. Yeah, might be a little hard to make out from the camera, but you can see the little, like, bumps in there. It's gotta be the waffle cone. Other than that, it doesn't look much different from a regular Hershey bar. Got a similar smell to it, too. Looks like some of it may have gotten a little melty when I got it. It was kind of hot that day. But, anyway, should still taste good. Let's try it out. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's good so far. The waffle cone part is pretty subtle. Does make it more crunchy, though. I'm trying a good amount of crunchy snacks lately. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Could never taste like the creamy part. Parts of it softer than normal. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes. All right. One last bit. Alright, that's all of it. Gonna take a quick drink, give my final thoughts. Alright. Yep, that tasted good. Like I said, the waffle cone part, it's pretty subtle compared to the rest of it, but it gives a nice bit of crunchiness to it. And it definitely... Sorry, I still had some in my mouth. Now, the big difference was the creamy part. Tasted a good amount softer. Yeah, the chocolate, I mean. Yeah, it's a good combination. I wouldn't say it's as good as the regular Hershey bars, but it could be a nice occasional mix-up. For if I want something different, I might get it again sometime. And, yeah, overall, I'd say I liked it. And that's about it. Not much else to say, so I'm just gonna end the video here. And as always, please let me know your thoughts about this war in the comments. Have you ever had any of these waffle cone Hershey bars, extra creamy kind, before? And if you have, what do you think about them? And if you haven't tried one before, would you consider trying one after this? And with that, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!